In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Udemy lecture resources on desktop. Udemy courses often include helpful extras alongside the videos, things like PDFs, templates, slides, or source code. These materials are added by the instructor to support what you're learning in each lecture. It's important to know that availability varies from course to course. Instructors choose what to include and whether it can be downloaded, so what you see is unique to that class. Let's talk about downloading lecture videos first, because this is the most common question. On desktop, Udemy generally does not allow downloading every video by default. That's to protect content and reduce piracy. However, some instructors do enable downloads for specific lectures. When they do, you'll know it right away in the video player. Move your mouse over the player, open the settings using the gear icon, and look for a download lecture option. If you see it, you can select it, and the video file will begin saving to your computer. When the download starts, it typically goes to your browser's default downloads folder, unless you've set your browser to ask where to save each file. The file is usually in MP4 format and often named after the lecture, which makes it easy to organize. If you're saving multiple lectures, consider creating a labeled folder for the course so everything stays tidy. If you don't see a download option in the settings, that simply means the instructor hasn't enabled downloads for that lecture. In that case, the video can be streamed as usual, but it isn't available for offline saving on desktop. That's expected behavior, and it's controlled at the instructor level. Now, about supplemental resources like PDFs, templates, and code. Instructors attach these files directly to individual lectures. When they make resources available, you can access and download them from within the lecture where they've been provided. Because these are instructor-supplied materials, availability and file types vary, and you'll only see them if the instructor has uploaded them. A few quick tips can make the process smoother. Use a stable internet connection while downloading and avoid closing the browser tab until the file finishes. If a download seems slow, pausing any streaming video or large downloads in other tabs can help. After a file completes, open it once to verify it's saved correctly, and if needed, rename it for clarity. That's it. If the download option appears, you can save the lecture. If it doesn't, the instructor hasn't allowed downloads for that video. And when resources are provided, they'll be available within the corresponding lecture. Respect course policies, keep your materials organized, and enjoy your learning.